Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am joining in with Jay at J Dolls UK and Penny at Playful Reborn for the Elves Challenge. I love my elf with her startled eyes. I love this doll. She's full body silicone, and I love her. She's very, very cool. She has the cutest little ears, and the challenge today is hugs. So she has her little elf, Christmas elf still that she's holding on to. And I want to show you her little outfit. I just bought this for her. I love these little feet. Oh, that's so cute. Little cow heads, little farm outfit. Yeah, it's not very feminine, but you know what? She lives on a farm. I just love this doll. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Penny. This is always so much fun. And I'm glad I could finally join in this month. Please go by J Dolls UK and Playful Doll Adventure and see their elves today, as well as anyone else that's participating. And if you're participating, can you let me know? Because I'm not familiar with all of the channels that are joining in, and I'd like to be. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.